Hi, this is Mrs. Cornitz, and we are looking at what fraction of a group today. So that's the idea that we are thinking about. And so it says one batch of an ice cream recipe uses 9 cups of milk. A chef makes different amounts of ice cream on different days. Here are the amounts of milk she used: Monday, 12 cups; Tuesday, 22 and a half cups; Thursday, 6 cups; Friday, 7.5 cups. How many batches of ice cream did she make on these days? For each day, write a division equation, draw a tape diagram, and find the answer. Okay, so one batch is 9 cups of milk. So that's the information that we're going to use over and over again. One batch is 9 cups of milk. And then we're going to look at the number of cups that she used on different days to figure out what fraction of a group. So our group here is a batch that's that 9 cups of milk. This is our group. This is one batch. And one batch is made up of 9 cups of milk. So on Monday, we have 12 cups. And so I'm just going to go ahead and make a tape diagram that has 12 squares in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And now what I need to do is see how many of these batches, how many of these groups fit in 12 cups. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here's one batch. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This would be another batch, but only this much of it fits in. So I have 3 squares. I would need 6 squares. I have 3 cups. I would need not six, 9 cups. And so I have 1/3 of the next batch, 1/3 of the next batch. So my division problem is 12 divided by 9 equals 1 and 1/3 of the next one, 1 and 1/3. So what fraction of a group? Monday, 12 cups is 1 and 1/3 of a batch, 1 and 1/3 batches. All right. So on Tuesday, it says we have 22 and a half cups, 22 and 1/2 cups. Okay. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 and a half. So I have more milk on Tuesday, but a batch is still 9 cups of milk. So I need to figure out how many 9 cups, how many batches I can get out of 22 and a half cups. So I can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here's one batch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here's another batch. And here I can get 1, 2, 3, 4.5 cups. 4.5, and I would really want to have 9. And so this is half of the next batch. 4.5 is half of 9. So my division problem is 22 and 1/2 cups divided by 9 cups in a batch equals 2 1/2 batches. Okay, so now we need to move on to Thursday. Okay, so Thursday is 6 cups, so I'm going to put 6 cups over here. One, two, three, four, five, six. And I need to see how many batches of 9 cups fit in 6 cups. And so 9 cups would be out to here, but I only have this much of it. So I have 6 out of 9 cups. This is 6 out of 9, which is equal to 2/3. So I have 2/3 of a batch on Thursday. So I had 6 cups divided by 9 cups equals 2/3 of a batch. Friday. On Friday, we're going to have 7 1/2 cups. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7 1/2. So just like Thursday, the amount of milk I have is less than one full batch of milk. One full batch would be 9 cups, and I only have 7 1/2. Dividing it into thirds like I did last time, 3 cups, 3 cups, 3 cups, that doesn't work. This is kind of lumpy. But if I divide each of these into half again, then I get 3, 6, 7 1/2. That works. So I divided this into 6 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so this ends up being 5/6 of a batch. So we have 7 1/2 divided by 9 equals 5/6 of a batch. That one's a little tricky. If that one seems weird to you, don't stress over it. It's kind of a weird number. These make more sense, don't they? So we divide the amount of milk we have by the amount of milk needed in a batch to figure out what fraction of a batch we have, what fraction of a group. When we have less milk than we have in a batch, we have a fraction of a batch, 2/3 of a batch, 5/6 of a batch. When we have more milk than is in a batch, we end up with a fraction possibly that is larger than 1 1 1/3. And it will be more than one, just the fraction part is the possible. 1 1/3 batches, 2 1/2 batches. So